Rusts are among the most harmful pathogens to agriculture, horticulture, and forestry.
Rust symptoms usually begin with the appearance of small yellow or orange spots on the upper surface of the leaves. These spots may be inconspicuous at first. Powdery orange to brown pustules form on the underside of the leaves. Areas around rust spots may become discolored, sometimes turning yellow or brown. As the infection progresses, these discolored areas may become more extensive. The causal agents of rust diseases on Monstera plants are typically fungi belonging to the order Puccineales. Rust fungi thrive in temperatures between 68 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity levels of 70% or higher. Overcrowded plants can restrict air circulation and create microclimates with increased humidity. If Monstera plants are positioned too closely together, it can promote rust growth. Excess moisture on the leaves, whether from overhead watering or high humidity, can create an environment conducive to rust development. Watering at the base of the plant and ensuring well-draining soil can help mitigate this risk. Stressed or weakened plants, such as those with nutrient deficiencies or poor care practices, may be more susceptible to rust infections. Rust fungi produce airborne spores that can travel short distances. These spores can be carried by air currents from nearby infected plants to healthy ones, especially in conditions of poor air circulation. Garden tools such as pruners, shears, or scissors can become contaminated with rust spores when used on infected plants. If you use these tools on healthy Monstera plants without properly cleaning and disinfecting them, you can inadvertently spread the disease.
Avoid overhead watering to prevent water splashing, which can spread rust spores. Water the soil at the base of the plant to keep the leaves dry. Water the plant early in the morning rather than later in the day to allow the plant to dry out faster. Ensure proper air circulation around your Monstera plants. Good ventilation can reduce humidity and minimize conditions favorable for rust development. When introducing new plants to your collection, quarantine them for a period to monitor for any signs of rust or other diseases before placing them near healthy Monstera plants. Trim and remove the leaves or plant parts showing signs of rust. Make sure to dispose of the infected plant material away from your garden to avoid spreading the spores. Separate or isolate infested plants from healthy ones to prevent the spread of the disease. As a preventive treatment, spray a decoction of horsetail on the affected parts. This is a list of active ingredients effective for rust control on Monstera plants. Be sure to follow the application instructions provided on the packaging.